Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those who are new here, my name is Lollie, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys a DIY. I'll be showing you guys how to make the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. I know this product is about $60, which is like roughly 6,000 bob here in Kenya, and honestly, who has the money to spend on that? Like seriously, who has the money to spend on that? So I'll be showing you guys an easy DIY with products you probably already have. And yeah, let's get right into the video. And for those who haven't subscribed, please do and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get right into the video.
I just wanna dance with somebody. I just wanna dance with somebody. It could be anybody. Tell me how you're that somebody. Don't matter who you are, just love me the way I am.
Okay, so you guys, the products you'll need, of course, is your highlighter. This is the highlighter I'll be using, or you can also use a shimmery eyeshadow. I'll be using this rose goldish one right here. The next thing you're going to need is your moisturizer, the one you're going to mix into the product. I'll be using my Nivea Soft Moisturizer, or you can use a body lotion if you prefer. And also some rose water to add into the product. Then you're going to need a piece of paper to destroy your highlighter or eyeshadow on. The container you're going to put the product into, I'll just be using this one because it's the only one I have, and a mixing pan if you need one, and something to destroy your highlighter with. And yeah, let's get into doing this. So the first thing is to pick your highlighter, and you pick the whatever it is you're going to be using to remove the highlighter from the pan, and you just remove it. Take as much product as you think you may need. I think that's enough for me because I'm not making a lot. I'm just making enough for this thing right here. If you feel bad about destroying your highlighter, you can just go and buy a cheaper one if that's okay with you. So the next thing is to put the eyeshadow. So as I said, I'll be using this rose gold one, and I'll just pick a little bit of that. Don't be putting too much. And a bit of this bronze one as well. Once I've put enough of the product, I just mash it into as small sizes as I possibly can, and mix up the products together so that it doesn't remain lumpy in the when you mix it up. You can also use a loose highlighter if you have one, but I personally don't have a loose highlighter. That's why I'm using eyeshadows and my usual baked highlighter. Once you feel like you've mashed the product as much as possible, you just pick your container. This is the one I just said I'll be using. This is what it looks like. And I'll just pick the paper and just fold it into a funnel. Once you folded it into a funnel shape, you just pour the product into your container. You can also use an actual funnel if you have one. I just don't have a funnel, that's why I'm using this. So once you've put all the highlighter into the bottle or your container, you just pick your rose water and put it until you get to halfway through the container. That is it. And then once you've done that, you just close the container's lid and shake it up and mix it up. So this is what the product looks like at this point. Let me just swatch it for you guys to see. That is it. If you want to leave it at that, you can, but personally I want to add my moisturizer to it so that it can dry down properly when I apply it on my skin. So this is the moisturizer I'll be using, and I just put at least 1 or 2 drops into it. So I just pick that and put that amount. I just put that amount into it. I think that's enough. This is the moisturizer I use. It's the Nivea Soft. and I just close that back up and go back to mixing it. So, this is the product. Once it's done, let me show you guys what it actually looks like. This is what it looks like. Let me swatch it for you. That's what it looks like. Let me just blend it out, all of it. That's what it looks like. And I think we're done. Maybe you can just mix it up until it all becomes nice and seamless. If you're okay with it as it is, you can just leave it at that. As you can see, it looks really nice. And yeah, that's it for this video. So let me show it to you on someone else's hand. This is what it looks like. It's a bit liquidy because of the rose water, but you can see it. That's what it looks like.
After all, she was my sister. And so then you and Carmen weren't friends.
That is it. You can see it. That looks amazing, right? And yeah, let me just get done here, then I'll show it to you guys on my body. So guys, we are back here. So I just wanted to demo this product on my body for you guys so you guys can see it. So one thing about this, you need to shake it well before you use it, so that all the products can get mixed up well and doesn't remain at the bottom of the container. And I just pick some of it. This is what it looks like. Let me do it like Rihanna. And I just mix that up. There, you guys can see that. I think I should spread it all over my body now. It looks so pretty. This is the one on my hand. Let me do it on this side as well, because like you guys, this thing looks, oopsie, it looks amazing. You guys, just look at that. Wow, looks nice. Yeah. So guys, this is it. Can you guys see it? It looks amazing, right? Just see it. This is it. It has a nice goldenish glittery kind of glow. I think you guys can see it, and you guys can see it's not messy. It does not transfer. This is what my hands look like. Let's look at them. So much glow. Let me put some on my nose. I think it looks amazing. And this is it with some lights on. What do you guys think? Yeah. And that is it, you guys. You can use several other things for this. You can use aloe vera, you can use oil, but I didn't want to use oil on mine because oil is very what is it called, messy. So I think that the lotion and the rose water works better for me, but it all depends on you. You guys can see that, right? It all depends on you and whichever kind of concoction you prefer. And yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you do try this, please tag me and show me or anything like that. And yeah, we'll see each other next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way. Bye.